Today we're going to be talking about how to change your alarm system backup battery. So I'm sure you've all heard the beeping noise coming from your alarm pad. What is it? It's basically telling you that you have a low backup battery and it needs to be changed. Let me show you how it's done. So you're going to be looking for a cabinet much like this, probably located somewhere in the closet or the master bedroom. On top, typically the guys will leave the key that unlocks the box. So let's get it opened. So inside, you're going to see something like this. This is our demo kit. So here inside of our demo alarm box, you'll see that there's a 12-7 battery in here. It's going to look very similar to your box. The only difference you might see is that it might have either a 12-5 battery or a 12-8. Either one is a typical configuration. And it's very simple to change. Okay, so to change this battery, all you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove the clip from here and from here. They're color coded, so red to red, black to black. Simply remove the tabs, the plastic off the new terminals, put the battery in, attach the clips, and you're done. That's it. So to get to beeping and stop, it'll probably take somewhere around 24 hours for the battery to fully charge. It uses a trickle charge system. So give it time before you try to reset it. So now that I've shown you how to change the battery, let's see how to look it up. So on the battery, you're going to see something like 12 volt, 5 amp. So if you go to batteriesinaflash.com and you type in 1250 in the search engine, this battery will show up. And the same with this battery. Just type in 1270 or 1280 and our search engine is smart enough to know that this is the battery you need. Now that you know how to buy the battery and change it, you're going to save yourself about $80 in service charges just by doing it yourself. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, or share. And remember to tune in, charge up, or you just might be left in the dark.